A BJD delegation team had come to Raj Bhavan today to meet Honorable Governor of Odisha and share with him certain problems that are pertinent and that needs his intervention. We have very categorically placed before him the situation that is emerging in Malkangiri, where it is not only about violence, it is not only about innocent lives, it is not only about staying in a place in a healthy manner. Now the situation in Malkangiri has boiled down to a point where every life is in threat, where nobody is safe. When a group of people can dare to wash out the entire thing, that means law and order machinery has collapsed. And that is why we have asked Honorable Governor that though the DGP is sitting there and trying to find ways, we don't find any clarity on that. We don't find any clarity on the government's action. We have requested Honorable Governor to look into the fact that one day before, our leader, Sri Naveen Patnaik, had very categorically told that now a time has come when immediate action needs to be taken, and the action needs to be hard, and the action where every person should believe that the thing which is happening in Malkangiri is not the real Odisha where such things should happen. And this thing has spoiled the name and reputation of the state, it has spoiled the sanctity of the people of Odisha, and it has put the people of Malkangiri, and in more so ever in the 26th area, into threat which should be avoided.
Our Biju Janata Dal delegation met the Honorable Governor of Odisha on the matter of derogatory words used by BJP MLA Santosh Khatua against the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who we all worship as the founding father of our nation. And the government has not taken any action against him, neither the ruling party has taken any action against him, just because he is a MLA of the ruling party. And let me tell you that Santosh Khatua is a habitual offender. He habitually uses derogatory words against women and other weaker sections of society. And you may remember that 6 months back he used extremely derogatory and sexist words against me. Due to which we approached all the constitutional authorities, be it the State Commission for Women, be it the National Commission for Women, the DG Police, even we approached the Honorable President of India. But no action was taken against Santosh Khatua just because he is MLA from the ruling party.